Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time for the and then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. It's over. Jen in New York. Jen.
Jim, you're smart, dedicated, and we love the show. Will AT&T go up?
Thank
You're
you.
very welcome. Will AT&T go up prior to and after the spinoff?
I have to tell you, let me tell you how I feel about AT&T. I don't hate it anymore. Let's go to Ted in Texas. Ted.
Big Jim, booyah.
Booyah.
Hey, buddy. I was wondering what your thoughts were on Growth Generation.
It was a stock. I mean, very rarely do I ever say this, but it's a stock whose time has come and went. It was they bought a lot of companies. They did a roll-up, and then they did one roll-up too many, and then I had to say goodbye, and that's where it remains, in the goodbye mode. Let's go to, not be UI. Let's go to Joe in Connecticut. Joe!
Booyah, Jimmy Chill.
Booyah!
First time, long time millennial investor and investment club member.
Oh, great. Thank you.
So since I last heard you comment on the stock saying it was a baby thrown out with the bathwater, the company reported preliminary 2021 numbers, including a record Q4. And despite surging Omicron, the company is entering 2022 with a lot of momentum. As management stated, December was the best month in company history. They have real earnings, real growth, a reasonable stock valuation, new tech, and management consistently beats their own conservative guidance. But it's been cut in half from its highs, and the declines continue. Should I be pounding the table on InMode, INMD?
Yeah, Joe's absolutely right. This situation is a very good situation, but the mercurial nature of this market is not letting this InMode bottom. It's trading as if it's losing big money and not doing anything. I like InMode. I can't tell you when it stops, but I do like InMode. Let's go to Jerry in California. Jerry.
Yeah, nice to talk to you, Jim. Hope all is well there. So, got this GDRX, and I thought it was a great idea when you brought it to all our attention to, helping people in need and so forth and so on. But, of course, this week, like everything else,
it's exactly like the others. It doesn't make any money, and that's what people think of. I was with someone over the holidays, a buddy of my daughter's who works there, real smart kid, went to Summit, and, he asked, what do you think of good? I said, I use it. It's a great product. But you know what? I'm looking at it sells at 67 times earnings, losing money. I mean, these are all no-go. I mean, they're in a no-fly zone. You just got to look at it like that. Let's go to Randy in Ohio. Randy.
how you doing today?
I am doing well. How about you?
Yeah, just over here. Just got done watching the sun go down and waiting for Groundhog Day.
I like that. Go ahead.
Okay, my question is, I want to know how much the dividend and what the companies are affiliated with H&R Block.
They're up against Intuit. I mean, that is literally bringing a knife to a gunfight. I can't go there. I need to go to Antonio in Michigan. Antonio.
Hey, Jim. This stock is down on the year so far. They recently acquired a company that got them into data center infrastructure management, which is always growing. Given the down year so far, do you like Carrier Global?
Very much so. Dave Gitlin is a terrific CEO. There's a company I would buy, some at 40, some at 35, and some at 30. May get there, and when it does, you got to be big, because that's a good company. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Coming up, does today's drop mark a permanent divorce between Netflix and its partner, Chill? Cramer breaks down how this streamer's dreams turned into a nightmare. Next.
Cramer, you are super. You are awesome.
I'm a first-time investor.
Thank you for inspiring me to get in the game.
Your show is the best. I am so glad you're on TV.
I want you to know that you have transformed me. Thank you, Cramer.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.